Uh, Hi, good evening to all. So, thanks for giving the opportunity to attend the assignment, and thanks for giving that assignment. So, I'm very happy to take this assignment, and I have completed the design part. So, I will go through the design workflow, what will be there, and what is the user experience, and what is the user design. So, while coming to the landing, so the first will become like this, and then after it will load like this. Then after you can able to come to the landing page. So this is the landing page. I am using the 19 by 20, 1920 into 1080 basic standard width and height. So that one will be there. So then we are doing the um, designer. So three parts will be there, left panel and top, and one more will be a horizontal two will be there. So why I am dividing into two sections will be a left and right. So because of these all the things will be a conversion things, I make it as a one vertical scroll bar and everything will be available. So total 46 of conversions we have provided in the existing uh, application. So all the 46 I have make it in this proper way, so user can able to easily understood. So by typically previously what happened in the existing application is user can't able to uh, go to the suddenly if he want to full banner, he need to read the one by one, one by one, then only he can able to find, or else he need to search global search. He need to use control F by clicking the browser search, then only he can able to read the full banner, then only he can able to do. So by giving this type of scenario, then user can easily able to understand the which one he want. Very quickly user can able to pick it up. So that's why I have given this thing. So entire application, total entire 46 of things I have converted into four or five segments I have done for five groups. It's called as a five groups. So one is social media, and one more is banners, and one more will be a covers, and one more will be mobile and miscellaneous. So why I have made these things is these are all related to social media related, and these are all related to banner, and these are all related to cover type of, and these are all related to mobile, and these are all related to miscellaneous. So these are all the things I kept like this. So all the social media icons or names will be available, and with the respect of the what is the dimensions or resolution. So those things will be available with the checkbox. User can able to check the checkbox whatever he want. Those things he can able to check, or by clicking the clear all button, then user can able to deselect the all the things. So this is the way will be there. So once he selected all the things, he can able to generate the selected conversions. So those things also will be available. Coming to the right part, so why I given this thing for this one is, so we can able to hide this one by giving the one hamburger icon here. So in the next if you are okay means, then I can able to go with that concept, that is the second level of iteration. So one hamburger button will be there. Once you click hide this part, and the entire thing user can play around, the entire page will be useful. Whenever he want, he can able to click this one, this right part will be a come, and he can able to choose whatever he want, or else he can able to search from here also. Suppose that user knows daily he is using our application, he can able to directly type that one YouTube banner. That's why I have given the example for the time being. Then later if the all the users is understanding, then we can remove this one, and only search box only we can put. So YouTube banner, if you select, if you enter, then you can search that one, then by defaultly YouTube banner only will come. So further iteration what you are not in given, so those things also are given for the dummy thing. So if it is our functionality is that, then we can able to implement. So for the user experience point of view, quick search purpose I have given. So you don't want to scroll also, if you know means, if you want to go to logo, by default directly you can able to come logo, and you can able to search for that one. So for that purpose I have given. So in the coming to the below part, user have the four sections. One will be uploading of the image, and sample data, and simple data, and simple sample data 3. So three things will be available. Coming to the right side, why I kept this one is, if user want the non relevant of this 46 conversion types, so if he wanted to do his own custom dimensions, by clicking this one he can able to give the width and height. Then once he click the add, that type of the width and height of the conversion type will be come. That's why I have given this one. So this functionality already is not available in your case also. So you only mention in the assignment to just keep it or else ignore this one, but this will be useful. That's why I given as an experience point of view. So once here user can able to drop the images here, or else he can able to click browse this one. So for dropping purpose I have highlighted the with the dashed border. So by default this will be not there, just only this text will be there. Once you are hovering the image, that time only dropping the image, that time only this border dash will become. For understanding purpose, for the design how it will be there, for that purpose I have given this one. So once you click the browse icon, or else if you don't want to drag and drop, you can able to click the browse icon. You can able to choose the, so by default currently I'm using the Windows application, that's why I have taken the screenshot of the Windows application and I have added here how it will be there. Once this pop-up is came, then background application of this one will be a dull position, or a one filter will be added to he can't able to edit anything. That's why we given this one. Then user can able to select that one and he can able to import that one. Then so coming to the sample data, so once he imported the data image, then only these buttons will be active position until it will be disabled position, then only it will be enable position. Then once come to sample data, so this line will be a moving one location to another location. Once you move it will be a move. So sample data, so sample data original uploaded will be available with the some of the things. You can able to add the one more image and the same thing, and you can able to add the text, you can able to text, and by default the default conversions. So by default once you are clicking, you are showing the all three default conversions. But what I am doing is I am providing the drop down list with the what are the default conversions. So square, horizontal and vertical. So square I am making as a shape will be a square icon, horizontal will be I am making as a horizontal shape, and the vertical I am making as a vertical shape. So user can able to understand what is a square, what is horizontal and what is vertical. So by selecting that one, then automatically only one conversion will be come to the picture. So then horizontal will come to the picture, vertical will come to the picture. Here will be come. So once or else he can select these things, then he can able to preview the selected conversion. So for and JSON also we can able to upload the image, upload the JSON also. We can put the one more tab also. By for this design I didn't kept, but I am giving the further implement. Already is there JSON, that's why I am giving upload image, and one more tab we can put as a upload JSON. So there like this only, here we can able to write the JSON or copy paste that one text area we can able to provide, then we can able to do. So coming to the sample data, sorry for going to back to, so preview button. So preview selected will be, so what are the conversions you selected, get generate the selected conversions. Whatever you selected here, you can able to select the things, you can able to select three things, then generate the selected conversions, then loader will come and everything will be select. So then after once you preview selected conversions, all the conversions will be available with the headings. How this original upload is there, same way it will be there. So if it is the more thing, then you can able to scroll the up image, but you can able to play around everything here only. So no need to go anywhere. So once complete everything, you can able to, until this will be a disabled position, then after export or save button option will be available. Once you click that one, then it will ask to where you need to save. So fabric export 1080 by 1080 if you selected means, then save means it will be saved. So multiple download option also will be available, then we can able to export those things. And coming to this one, custom dimension and sample data 3 also I will show. So this is the original uploaded one. Original uploaded one will become, and you can able to add the image, you can able to add the image, you can add the text, you can able to add the text, and if you want to make it this image into default conversions, you can able to make it the default conversions. Then after export the save as. Once you selected the conversions, then you can able to save as that one. And coming to this one, custom dimension. What is the custom dimension? Once you click, so user don't want this 46 types of conversions, he can able to give the his own conversion, add that type of conversion will be generated into here. So this is the what I have implemented based on the existing thing. So for this purpose, this is the entire thing. So how I approach and all I will show to now. Then wait a moment, then I will show you what are the things I use. So this is the way I have I have taken the screenshot of what are the things is there. Then I used my touch pen and I have written total 46 of conversions is there. Conversion divided into, first I divided into what are the Facebook, what is this, what is the Twitter have, what is the Instagram have, what is the LinkedIn have. So then I subdivided those things, and then after these things I have taken. Then once I came to the one level of the division or the category division, then one more level I done after the iteration. So I make it as a three thumb rules. One will be by default the three sample pictures data should be required, and the original image also need to show, and the default conversions square, horizontal, vertical also will be there. So these are all the things I kept in the first level of the paperwork I done UX design analysis. So then what are the colors I used? So primary color I used, why I used this red color only means because of your application is have the this secondary color. So with the secondary color and I used the primary color, these are all the things I used. I don't know whether will be your company have this some theming concept, that's why I used the red color. We can able to use that application with the other colors also, primary color, secondary color, and font. Primary color I am using the triple three, hash triple three. If you use the hash triple zero, so it will be very bright color, so little bit of reducing the black I used the hash triple three. And the secondary color, if it is a disable position, it will be triple eight. Application background color, so without using the white color, so little bit of tone color I used F9 F9 F9. Generally white will be F. So little bit light ash color I used, and our logo is there, that logo font color I used as a FF, and border color, and some buttons and all I used the gradient color, and the even nav bar also, header also I used this gradient color. Two color tone combination with the linear level I used. What are the fonts I used is font family I used Roboto. Why I used Roboto is in nowadays Google everywhere using this one only, so even Microsoft, so we can able to make it as a font family operating system based on. Also suppose if you are using the Mac system dependent Mac system dependent default font also we can use. If you are using the Windows default Sego UI also it will come. So font family we can able to give, or else we can give the single font family. If you use the default system font families, then we don't want to keep the font families and all. And what are the font weights I used? It is light, regular, medium, bold, and black. These are all things I used. So I have given the documentation also here. And then after what I done is I went to my wireframe sketching. So this is the way I done the wireframe sketching. So first will be a landing screen or a splash screen. If this one we can able to convert into a desktop application by using the electron.js. Already we are implementing in the React.js, so we can able to convert into the electron.js. Then that's why I have given as a splash screen. Then it will be used as a loading. Once fetching the data and all, then in between we can able to load the data. So that's why I have given. Then after I added this some tagline. That's why in the video I have written that one. Then I came to the one level of iteration. What is the way it will become? So absent VR and this social media shapes, banner, mobile, and miscellaneous are the main categories, and it will be conversion. And below I kept this one. So this is the first level I done. Then directly I jumped into. I don't have the time to write the whole wire framework. So sketch and all. So this is the way. So for this sketch I used the Microsoft drawing thing. So then I written everything here. So this is the sketch thing I used. This is the way is implemented. First we have taken everything and we written by using the touch pen and all. So we done this one for XD designing. This one I used the Adobe XD. So everywhere everything will be designed from scratch. So thanks for it will be a lengthy video, but I need to explain everything, so that's why I taken this 15 minutes of time. Thank you so much. If it is everything is okay, then I can able to go to the implementation of the development of the code. But the thing is whatever you implemented, so I need to make it into a very very interactively and a very user experience and all. I need to add this so many things to the existing code. I can able to write, not able to write. I will write the code, but I need the time to implement this one. It will take it to 2 days to complete the entire application workflow and the research and the analysis and all. So that's why I am requesting you to, if you are okay means, then I can able to write the next level of the iteration or next assignment to complete this one, because of I have the office also. So that's why. So thank you so much. Thank you for giving the opportunity, and thanks for believing me to giving the assignment once again. Thanks a lot.